Our journey begins under the vast sky, where the primary ingredient for the beloved cachorro quente frozen.
Precision agriculture ensures every grain harvested meets the exacting standards required for the perfect. From field to transport, the wheat must remain pristine, ready for its long journey toward becoming the iconic red component.
For the heart of the product, the sausage, only the finest meats are selected. High standards start here, on the ranch.
Logistics are paramount. Brewers must price Rochester quickly and safely to maintain freshness.
Simultaneously, across the continent, the essential flavor profile is secured. Vine-ripened tomatoes provide the base for the signature sauce.
Automation accelerates efficiency without compromising the delicate nature of the ingredient. Every tomato is assessed for peak ripeness.
Initial cleaning ensures only the purest fruit proceeds to the sauce preparation stages.
No cachorro when frozen is complete without its creamy elements. The journey begins with high-quality dairy, collected in meticulously clean environments.
Temperature control is immediate and critical, preserving the integrity of the milk before its complex transformation into cheese.
The subtleties of flavor demand unique ingredients, sourced from specific regions for their distinct pungency.
Accuracy is the first law of mass production. Every component, down to the flour, is weighed precisely for consistency.
The supply chain mobilizes. Wheat, tomatoes, and meat are converging hundreds of miles apart, all heading to the central mega factory. Maintaining the cold chain is non-negotiable for the protein component, ensuring optimal safety and texture for the final cachorro quente frozen. As dawn breaks, all paths lead here. This colossal structure is the nerve. Just-in-time logistics are critical. Raw materials are offloaded immediately into specific climate-controlled zones. The refined wheat flour begins its journey, transferred seamlessly into the towering, sterile mixing chambers.
Safety is paramount. Before processing, every batch of meat undergoes rigorous, instantaneous quality and temperature checks.
The dairy components, already crafted into specific cheese blocks, await their moment to provide the perfect creamy
Melt. The final flavor elements, spices, herbs, and seasonings are handled with precision, ensuring the consistent taste. Purity is the foundation. All water used in dough mixing, sauce preparation, and sterilization is filtered to pharmaceutical-grade standards.
The essence of the sauce, the concentrated tomato pulp, is moved through closed systems, preventing any environmental contamination.
Before mixing begins, samples are analyzed immediately. Microscopic integrity and chemical balance must be flawless.
With all checks complete, Phase 2 begins. The spectacular transformation of raw ingredients into the heart of the bread.
Flour, water, and yeast merge inside mixers the size of small cars, rigorously controlled for perfect hydration.
The dough is gently pressed and stretched, achieving the ideal density and elasticity required for a
Laser precision ensures every bun size is identical, guaranteeing consistency in every cachorro quente frozen package.
In this temperature-controlled environment, yeast works its magic, giving the future bun its essential lightness and aroma.
Now, attention turns to the protein core. High-tech grinders prepare the carefully selected cuts of meat for emulsification.
It is here the distinct flavor of the cachorro quente frozen sausage is locked in. Precise ratios of spices.
The mixture is then rapidly extruded, creating flawless, continuous strands of sausage at an incredible speed.
Robotic precision ensures every single link is the perfect length and weight, maintaining product uniformity.
The sausages are then cooked and lightly smoked, locking in moisture and flavor before they become part of the ultimate cachorro quente frozen assembly.
Parallel to the meat process, the buns achieve their golden hue, baked to a specific moisture content to prevent freezer burn later on. Rapid, controlled cooling is essential. The bun must reach ambient temperature before assembly to prevent condensation issues.
In the sauce kitchen, the tomato pulp is married with spices and seasonings, creating the signature sweet and
The cheese component must be prepared meticulously, shredded uniformly to ensure perfect melting behavior.
Post-cooking, the casings are swiftly removed by air pressure and precision cutting, revealing the perfect sausage.
The bun is slit perfectly, ready to receive its components. This preparation prevents tears during rapid freezing.
The components finally meet. State-of-the-art robotics ensure perfect centration of the sausage within the bun, moving at dozens per second.
Next, the signature sauce is applied. Each nozzle is calibrated to dispense the exact milliliter required for flavor consistency.
A generous layer of cheese completes the core filling. This step ensures the final frozen product has maximum visual appeal.
A brief application of heat fuses the cheese and sauce, preventing component separation during the high-speed freezing process. Integrated vision systems check every single unit. Imperfectly loaded or sized products are immediately routed for
The final transformation begins. To lock in the freshness, the assembled cachorro cuente frozen must be flash frozen instantly.
Non-reline. This rapid freezing technique preserves cellular structure, ensuring and soft fillings taste freshly when
Seconds later, the cachorro cuente frozen emerges, a fully stabilized product ready for its final quality check and packaging. A final thermal verification ensures the deep freeze requirement has been met for every single cachorro cuente frozen product. The product is handled with maximum care to prevent damage to the frozen surface, preparing it for its protective layer. The first layer of defense, an airtight wrap, protects the product from oxidation and freezer burn, guaranteeing the integrity of the cachorro cuente frozen.
Traceability is mandated. Each unit receives its unique timestamp and batch ID in a fraction of a second.
Every single cachorro cuente frozen undergoes a final sweep, ensuring absolute safety before being packed into retail boxes.
The retail packaging is designed for maximum visual appeal and insulation, preparing the cachorro cuente frozen for the freezer aisle.
The finished unit is now housed within its recognizable, branded enclosure.
Sealing is instantaneous and tamper-proof. The product is now ready for bulk assembly and the final logistical phase.
The factory floor has completed its mission. The hundreds of thousands of individual cachorro cuente
Individual units are grouped into bulk cartons. These are engineered for maximum protection during international transport.
The flow is relentless. Cartons converge toward the final automation stage.
The final structural task falls to the heavy lifters. Robotics stack the pallets in a perfect interlocking pattern for optimal stability. Once stacked, the entire pallet is sealed with high-strength plastic wrap, securing the load for months of travel and storage.
Human intervention ends here. Autonomous vehicles move the finished product seamlessly into cold storage without energy loss.
The final holding chamber, a warehouse maintained at Antarctic temperatures, preserving the integrity of every cachorro cuente frozen unit. The scale of storage is immense. Vertical stacking maximizes space, managed entirely by precision crane systems.
When an order is placed globally, the system instantly locates and retrieves the specific batch required.
For international export, the product is loaded into specialized refrigerated containers, maintaining the deep freeze integrity for ocean crossing.
The final seal is applied, securing the cargo and beginning its documented temperature tracking journey.
Across oceans and continents, the product begins its worldwide voyage, a testament to global logistics. After landfall, the final leg is ground distribution, ensuring specialized local delivery to retail partners.
The cold chain remains unbroken, right up to the point of sale. The mission is nearly complete.
And here, the epic journey finds its purpose, the consumer decision.
From wheat field to kitchen, every step has been executed with meticulous care to ensure this moment is perfect.
Just minutes of preparation separate the frozen meal from a hot, satisfying snack.
The latent heat does its work, reanimating the flavors captured through cryo-freezing.
The final product emerges, hot, fresh, and ready.
The perfect result, a testament to the seamless integration of agriculture, technology, and global logistics.
Every day, the cycle renews. The mega factory stands ready to meet the world's a marvel of modern food science.